So now the ambulance siren started, and at the same time, the revving of the bike engine started. So the ambulance sirens wasn't by itself. There was a little bit of revving of the bike engine at the same time. And of course, it didn't last too long, so probably I couldn't record it. But immediately they came in, right? Because just I'm watching a video of the about how this Lord will come and in this new Satyug, and how there's a lady who's just explaining all this symbolism and all kind of stuff. So they're just talking about gods and goddesses, and that's it. They just started the ambulance sirens and revving of the bike engines and all that. So whatever they want to tell me, I'm whatever the god and goddesses, or because they've told me, like, they give me all kind of, sometimes they tell me like I'm a beast, or sometimes they tell me like I'm a god or goddess or whatever. I don't consider any of that. All I know is I'm just a simple human being. But they live in some wonderland, in some fantasy world themselves, that they make up all this BS stuff, and then they will just give all this kind of signaling with the ambulance or what, and they will like synchronize everything. So I'm watching this, so then they do signaling. It means, oh, okay, they want to tell me this. Okay, it's just like that. But that's about it. Like I said, they are just donkeys. They are doing Adharma, and they are going to be killed by Lord Kalki.